Hello, this video is to illustrate how you can pull together a backup for a draw request. This here is TimberScan 300 that works with Sage 300 CRE. To pull together the packet, you're going to go into the inquiries up here at the top of the menu and click on the job cost inquiry. Here you can decide if you want to include invoices that are still in the routing and approval process, as well as what's already been approved and resides in your Sage system. You have the ability to select a date range. So if you were doing this for a month period, you can put in a beginning and starting ending date. I'm going to select all dates to have better data for a sample. And then you can select if you're putting together a draw request for just one job, or you could select multiple jobs. So now I'm looking at all invoices for this one project for the date range that I had specified. When I come in here, you can see all the information, the columns across the top. If I scroll over, I can see the log, the history, audit trail for any of the invoices. I can also view the invoice image from here. I also have the ability, if I want to exclude certain transactions that shouldn't be part of the draw package, I can simply right-click and exclude, a particular transaction. I could also exclude an entire vendor. So if there was a vendor or subcontractor that shouldn't be included in here, I could simply check them off and take out their invoices. Once I've gotten the data where I like it, I can come up here in the upper left and hit report. I can tell the system I want to create a PDF and I want the report images combined in the same file. And then I have options as to what I want to include in the packet. I'm going to select include supporting documents, check images, and the approval page. And then I also have the ability to group the invoices, the transactions here. So I'm going to group by cost code. Once I hit OK, I'm going to name it. I'm just going to put in today's date here. All right, once I save it, it's going to take a minute to generate. It's pulling all of the information, not only the invoice information, but it's pulling together all of those images that are associated with those invoices as well. So it takes a minute to pull that together. All right, my report is complete and I just saved that here to my desktop. Now here's the report. You can see all of the invoices grouped by cost code with totals by cost code. And if I scroll down, I have all of the summary information grouped by cost code. There's my total dollars. And then all of the invoice image backup behind it. And in this case, because I opted for the approval page to be in there, check information. So all of that here is included, and you can see it only took a minute to pull this all together.